Hello, all. Welcome to the day 29 of the daily case study series for CBSE Grade 12. The question goes like this: a coach is training three players. He observes that the player A can hit a target four times in five shots. Player B can hit three times in four shots. And player C can hit two times in three shots. From this situation, answer the following. From the question, we have these details. P of A is equal to 4 by 5. So P of A dash, that is A not hitting, is equal to 1 by 5. P of B is 3 by 4. P of B dash is equal to 1 by 4. P of C is 2 by 3. And P of C dash is equal to 1 by 3. Question number 1. Let the target be hit by A, B and C. Then the probability that A, B and C all will hit is probability of all hit is equal to P of A and P of B and P of C, which is 4 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 2 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 5. Question number 2. What is the probability that B, C will hit and A will lose? P of B and C hit and A lose is equal to P of B and P of C and P of A dash. P of B is 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 and P of A dash is 1 by 5, which is 1 by 10. Question number 3. What is the probability that any two of ABC will hit? So P of any two of ABC will hit is equal to P of A into P of B. In the first case, A and B hits and C does not hit. In the second case, let's take A hits and B does not hit and C hits, plus the third case, let's take P of A dash, that is A does not hit, B hits and C also hits, which is 4 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 plus 4 by 5 into 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Denominators are same, so let me retain it like 5 into 4 into 3, 12 plus 8 plus 6, which is 26 by 5 into 4 into 3, that is 13 by 30. Question number 4. What is the probability that none of them will hit the target? P of none hits will be equal to P of A dash and P of B dash and P of C dash. That is 1 by 5 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, which is 1 by 60. Question number 5. What is the probability that at least one of A, B, or C hit the target? P of at least one hits will be equal to, out of all possible cases, only P of none hits will be odd man out. If we subtract P of none hits from the total probability 1, then we will get at least one hits, which is 1 minus none hits is 1 by 60. 1 minus 1 by 60, which is 59 by 60. The answer for the first one is option C. For the second one, it is A. For the third one, it is D. For the fourth one, it is B. For the fifth one, it is A. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.